In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove something from an image in Photoshop. So you have to go to the patch tool in the beginning. I want to remove her feet first, and then I will remove the upper part. So for the feet, I will just make a selection with the patch tool over her feet, and then I will first of all I will copy the background with the help of Ctrl+J. Ctrl+J to copy the image, so we will see the before and after we complete the steps, or we also do it non-destructively. So just copy her feet and drag a selection from somewhere around her feet or somewhere near. You should also make sure that the source is selected and normal is selected, not the content aware. Normal is selected and source is also should also be selected, and from here it should be on the very left side. So I just removed her feet. Now you can see that the colors are still not matching. We will do something about it later. Now I will go to the lasso tool and make a selection around the girl that I want to remove. The selection should not be perfect, just around her body. It should just around her body. And when I make the selection, I will just press shift and backspace, or I can go to edit and fill. From here I should select the content aware from the options, from the contents, and the color adaptation should also be checked, and I will just press OK. So here you can see it did a very good job here, and at the background we only have trees, so we will not notice so much difference here. For the feet, I will do the same thing again here with the lasso tool, not with the patch tool, because the color is still not matching with the floor. So I will just press shift and backspace again and press OK. So I think it is now, it's kind of perfect. I can also use the clone stamp tool to clone something near to make it more believable. So here you can see before and after. You can also remove this girl if you want, and group of these people if you want, with the same method. So that's how you can remove something from an image in Photoshop. In future tutorials, I will do some advanced things for to remove anything or something from an image in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.